We all love street food, from fish balls to hot dogs, from barbecue to kwek-kwek. But have you ever wondered where these delicious snacks actually came from? Today, we've retaken you on a tasty journey through time to uncover the secret origins of your favorite street foods. Let's dig in, only here on Think Smart Media. Let's start with a classic, the humble hot dog on a stick. Did you know hot dogs actually originated in Germany in the 1800s? They became popular in the United States as fast, portable food, and eventually made their way around the world. Today, street vendors in the Philippines put their own spin on it, with sweet sauce or cheese, making it a true local favorite. Next up, barbecue. The term barbecue comes from the Caribbean word barbacoa, meaning a method of slow-cooking meat over a fire. Spanish colonizers brought it to the Philippines, where locals adapted it into pork, chicken, or even seafood skewers. Today, BBQ is a staple in every street food scene. Ever bitten into kwek-kwek, those orange crispy quail eggs? Kwek-kwek actually has roots in Japanese tempura, which Filipinos adapted by coating quail eggs in orange batter and deep frying them. Now it's a beloved snack, served with vinegar or sweet sauce on the streets. Banana Q and turon are classic Filipino sweet treats. Banana Q, which is deep-fried caramelized bananas on a stick, is influenced by Spanish cuisine. Turon, a sweet spring roll filled with banana and sometimes jackfruit, is a perfect example of Filipino creativity in street snacks. Fish balls are everywhere in the Philippines, but their origin traces back to China, where fish paste snacks were common. Filipino vendors adapted the recipe, creating the iconic street version we love today, sold in bamboo sticks with vinegar or sweet sauce. Finally, international street foods, like tacos and shawarma, have also found their way into local streets. Tacos come from Mexico, while shawarma comes from the Middle East. Local vendors tweak them with sauces, meats, and toppings to suit Filipino tastes. And there you have it, the secret origins of your favorite street foods. From German hot dogs to Japanese-inspired kwek-kwek, every snack has a story to tell. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Think Smart Media, and hit the notification bell for more amazing facts every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.